most of the money you will spend on logistics in the next 3 years is going to be wasted. Not stolen, not mismanaged, but wasted. On building something someone else is building at the same time, in the same city, to deliver to the same customer. Yes, I'm talking about the quick commerce infrastructure, and I want to spend few minutes making one argument. It has two halves, and what I actually care about is the second half of the argument. Let me be clear about something before I'm misunderstood. Faster delivery is not a fad, it is here to stay. The customer has changed permanently. 10 minutes did not create the demand, it just revealed it. And now there is no going back to 3 to 5 business days. So yes, speed has now become the price of entry. But here is the thing about price of entry. It is not the same as price, right? Price and price are two different things. And when everybody has it, nobody wins it. Speed is becoming a utility, just like electricity, and nobody chooses a brand just because it turns the lights on. And this is where we are making mistake, where we are looking at a utility, which is speed in this case, and are planning to build it ourselves. Walk through any tier 1 city right now. You will see number of dark stores spread across 1 kilometer radius. You will see countless delivery partners speeding against each other, carrying goods to the same pin code. Every one of it is somebody's capex, is somebody's strategic infrastructure investment. But it is not strategic, it is just duplication of efforts with a nicer word to it. And ask yourself honestly, what is everybody trying to buy? A dark store which should keep turning around inventory faster than it can replenish? A rider network you must feed on a slow twist day? Do we want to buy a fixed cost with a business with a variable demand? And you will not, by doing this, you will not end up building an advantage, but you will end up building an obligation. Every mature industry has already worked it out. Telecom stopped building one tower per operator. Now they are sharing towers across multiple operators. Banks stopped building their own payment rails. Instead, they started plugging into the UPI network. Nobody builds their own airport or their own roads or their own clouds. But logistics is the last industry where we still think owning the pipe is same as owning the customer. It isn't, it never was. Now someone in the room might be thinking, that's fine for us, but the quick commerce players owns everything end to end. That's the model, that's why they win. But I would ask you to look carefully. Most of the quick commerce players, the ones who have actually started this trend and made the country to expect deliveries in 10 minutes, are not building all of it themselves alone. They lease, they partner, they plug into third-party fleets when volume spikes. That should tell you everything. If you don't move to shared infrastructure, you just don't lose margin, you lose the customer. Because the customer is not comparing your delivery to your old delivery. The customer is comparing it to the best delivery they received today from anyone, could be anything. If you cannot match that, and you will not be able to match it alone, you simply are not on the shelf. Not on the lower rank, you are just not on the shelf, not in their consideration at all. And shared infrastructure is not just cost-saving exercise, but it is how you stay in the consideration set at all. And what gets you converted is what you own. That is the assortment, the curation, the trust that you have built with the customer. So let me leave you with two things, just two if you forget most of what I have told you. One, speed is a utility. It is not a strategy anymore. Stop building it and start sharing it. Second, curation is the moat. That is the only thing that is yours. And one last thing, and then I will get out of your way. If you're sitting there thinking, fine, I agree, but how do I actually plug into a shared infrastructure without handing over my customer, my data, my brand? It is a real question and it has a real answer. It exists, it's running today, and you can find me and I'll tell you what we are building as a shared delivery infrastructure at ONDC. Thank you.